Hello guys, welcome back to Being Mrs. Fraser. I'm Tammy. Thank you so much for being here and clicking on my video today. We have a lot of cleaning to get to. It is extra dusty. We're gonna go ahead and start here in the living room, and then we will be moving on to the dining room, and we also have some laundry to get done. So let's go ahead and jump right into this.
Me, baby, got me hooked on you once again. Girl, I need you. How many times do I wanna yell? 'Cause we could be so complete. Baby, I'll never want anyone new. I was on the bed when you undressed. Baby, when I pulled you in and felt your breath, then I knew the girl I need you. You're smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Every moment is another chance. Loving you is all I wanted. I'm wide open for a love affair. Girl, when you're looking like that, closer, closer, I'ma get closer to you. Yeah, got me, baby, got me hooked on you once again. Damn, girl, I need you. How many times do I wanna yell? 'Cause we could be so complete. Baby, I'll never want anyone new. I was on your bed when you undressed. Baby, when I pulled you.
I do want to go ahead and make this video a little less chatty today, maybe let you guys enjoy the music somewhat, or maybe you guys can turn it on the TV and clean along with me. But I am using the Love Meg multi-surface spray today, so I can just get it all done. I absolutely love this spray. She's obviously not sponsored. I paid for this with my own money. She is not paying me to say this. I love her spray. My favorite scent is the cucumber melon. However, I think I'm using the new pine scent on this day. So anyway, I just wanted to jump on, let you guys know what product I'm using, because if you will notice, I am literally jumping from multiple different surfaces, from wood to glass, and all over. So I just wanted to let you guys know that, but let's get back to the music. Let's get back to the cleaning.
I'm not mad at all. We both tried and tasted fall. Can't hold our love against the wall. No. Every inch of me is hurting and I just wanna leave it all behind. Yeah, I'm breaking up with you tonight. Yeah, you know it's hard to say. Yeah, you
guys, it is getting so nice out here. Well, for this week anyway. I had to open the windows. It was like almost 80 degrees yesterday here in Nebraska. Can you believe it? March and almost 80. We actually hit a new record for for the area, so that was kind of nice. It was absolutely beautiful though, and it's really just getting me in the mood to get some spring cleaning done. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, because I do have some videos coming up with some deep cleaning, some spring cleaning, motivational videos for you guys. So make sure you stay tuned for that. So you guys will get tons of motivation, tons of tips coming your way, planned for the next couple weeks.
Bye. So long, my dear love. Things got so complicated, not like it was before. At the edge, we should break it. You keep on coming back for more. I've been waiting here before. It is not the first time, thinking that you'll come around. I've been waiting here before. It is not the first time, thinking that you'll change this time. No, I don't need a heartbreak, I don't need to save you, 'cause I gotta be you, 'cause I gotta be you. No, I don't need a heartbreak, I don't need to change you, 'cause I gotta be you, 'cause I gotta be you. I keep telling everyone you got it, but they can't see that you are lost here. I don't need a heartbreak, I don't need to change you, 'cause I gotta be you, 'cause I gotta be you. Things got so complicated, all I wanted was your love. It is time, and should we break it? 'Cause I'm not staying anymore. I've been waiting here before. It is not the first time, thinking that you'll change this time. No, I don't need a heartbreak, I don't need to save you, 'cause I gotta be you, 'cause I gotta be you. No, I don't need a heartbreak, I don't need to change you, 'cause I gotta be you, 'cause I gotta be you. I keep telling everyone you got it, but they can't see that you are lost here. I don't need a heartbreak, I don't need to change you, 'cause I gotta be you, 'cause I gotta be you. I've been waiting here before. It is not the first time, thinking that you'll come around. I've been waiting here before. It is not the first time, thinking that you'll change this time. No, I don't need a heartbreak, I don't need to save you, 'cause I gotta be you, 'cause I gotta be you. No, I don't need a heartbreak, I don't need to change you, 'cause I gotta be you, 'cause I gotta be you. I keep telling everyone you got it.
You guys will have to let me know if you prefer more chatty videos when I talk to you guys, or if you guys prefer just a lot of music like this one here today. I kind of prefer the chatty ones, but sometimes I know that just having a little bit of extra music, and that just kind of helps with the motivation, as opposed to just sitting here and chit-chatting. So you guys will have to let me know down in the comments whether you prefer this type of video with more music, or if you prefer the chatty videos.
You're like a ghost in my mind, I can't escape you. I need to believe it was right letting you go, 'cause 'cause you are like a ghost in my mind. I wanna escape you, but I do not believe it was right letting you go. I can't stand the thought of losing you. Tell me, do you think of me too? 'Cause every song just reminds me of you, and it kills me. No, it was a mistake letting you go. 'Cause every song just reminds me of you, and it breaks my heart. You're still here though we're apart. I'm seeing your face in my dreams. I can't escape you. Like a movie on repeat, the scenes just go on. I'm hearing your voice in my dreams. I wanna escape you. I really think I made a big mistake. I want you to know I can't stand the thought of losing you. Tell me, do you think of me too? 'Cause every song just reminds me of you, and it kills me. No, it was a mistake letting you go. 'Cause every song just reminds me of you, and it breaks my heart. You're still here though we're apart. Don't tell me it's over now. Don't tell me it's over now. Don't tell me it's over now. Don't tell me it's over. 'Cause every song just reminds me of you, and it kills me. No, it was a mistake letting you go. 'Cause every song just reminds me of you, and it kills me. No, it was a mistake letting you go. 'Cause every song just reminds me of you, and it breaks my heart. You're still here.
So here it is, guys, my dirty little secret, if you will. We have a skinny syrup problem. I There is literally no excuse for as many syrups as we have. We stocked up on fall syrups, we stocked up on winter syrups, and we just recently stocked up on like your regular non-coffee syrups, I guess, if you will. We love Jordan Skinny syrups. They are simply the best, and there is literally no excuse other than that we like them. So if you haven't tried them out, definitely do so. You can find them, I think, on like Instagram, Facebook, pretty much anywhere. The spiced cranberry is our favorite because we put that in our lemon water, or the cherry is so good too. You can make your own limeades. You guys, you can't go wrong. We have not come across a flavor that we really haven't liked. But yeah, so now you guys know. There's my addiction: coffee and flavored water. So yeah, there it is, guys. But we just needed to go through and empty the box that I had just got in rearrange, I should say, the coffee bar here, just to get everything to fit.
With you, everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? When you're down and you stare out your window, hoping that you'll come up with some words to say. That's not okay. When you feel like you're fed up with heartbreak, and you know that you can't take another day. Well, that's not okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. We can never go back this road. We can never go back that way. I see you standing in the corner like it's okay. Don't you know that you move with your body? Don't you know that you move with your body? We can never go back this road. We can never go back that way. I see you standing in the corner like it's okay.
Alrighty guys, if you have made it this far in the video, thank you so much. Go ahead and give this a big thumbs up and leave a little smiley face down in the comments for me. Let me know who made it to this part of the video. So anyway, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button, the bell notification, and again, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you guys have a great weekend. Until next time, bye.
Away. That's how we play. 1, 2, 3, 4. We can never go back this road. We can never go back that way. I see you standing in the corner like it's okay. Don't you know that you move with your body? Don't you know that you move with your body? We can never go back this road. We can never go back that way. I see you standing in the corner like it's okay. Don't you know that you move with your body? Don't you know that you move? All night long, the dance goes on. I am here and I move with my body, move with my body. All night long, we got it going and the dance goes on. We got it going and I am here and I move with my body, move with my body. We can never go back this road. We can never go back that way. I see you standing in the corner like it's okay. Don't you know that you move with your body? Don't you know that you move with your body? We wanna go on our own. We wanna go night and day. I see you standing in the corner like it's okay. Don't you know that you move with your body? Don't you know that you move with your body?